Good evening, viewers. Welcome to today's edition of the news. I am Emika Delisiao and here are the headlines. COVID-19 recovery rate in the country improves to 84.34%. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to inaugurate Artificial Intelligence Race 2020 Summit. The prices of petroleum products in Meghalaya have started decreasing. And DRDO successfully flight tests supersonic missile-assisted release of torpedo. Government today said that the country's COVID-19 recovery rate has reached 84.34%. During the last 24 hours, more than 76,000 COVID patients have recovered. The Health Ministry said the total number of recoveries has reached over 55,86,000. The constantly increasing recoveries have ensured that the actual caseload of the country has considerably reduced and currently comprises only 14.11% of the total positive cases. Presently, the total number of active cases in the country is 9,34,000. Currently, India's case fatality rate is at 1.55%, which is one of the lowest globally. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate the Summit Race 2020 Responsible AI for Social Empowerment 2020 today. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology and Niti Aayog are organizing the mega virtual summit on artificial intelligence from today to 9th of October. The summit will discuss cross-sector subjects like leveraging AI for pandemic preparedness, the impetus that innovation places on digitization, inclusive AI and partnerships for successful innovation. In the spirit of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Prime Minister Modi plans to leverage AI for inclusive development, representing the country's AI for all strategy. COVID-19 has changed the priorities of health systems around the world. However, Meghalaya's healthcare system faces major challenges. Health Minister A.L. Hek, while stressing on deplorable road conditions as major factor affecting health sector, said the government needs to address such issues where people in the remotest areas of Meghalaya has to walk for several kilometers to reach healthcare center. He also said that the government is in the process of upgrading the healthcare sector. The health department has also taken the decision to strengthen the labor room and to encourage people for institutional deliver, he added.
And the bamboo stretchers or the wooden stretcher that I also have seen. That is because of the road condition. That the road condition, this is not because of the health condition. Wherever it is, this villages which is facing this kind of problem, we are the government, right, maybe from the PUD department or from the other department, which we need to serve the people, we need to address this issue.
After all the hike in petrol prices, there is some good news for the vehicle owners. After months of steep hike, the prices of petroleum products in the state have finally started decreasing since last month. The petrol price for 1 litre in the state stands at rupees 84.71 paise per litre, while the price for diesel stands at rupees 76.26 paise. Sachit Sureka, a petrol pump owner in Shillong city, said that the prices for petrol started decreasing since last month, and he is optimistic that it would decrease further. He added that the prices started increasing in April this year since the revenue generation of the state and the country has decreased. While the prices are decreasing, the vehicle owners lamented the skyrocketing prices has burnt a hole in the pocket besides affecting the monthly budget. DRDO successfully flight tests supersonic missile-assisted release of torpedo. Defence Research and Development Organisation DRDO has successfully flight tested the supersonic missile-assisted release of Torpedo Smart. Congratulating the DRDO and other stakeholders, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh said, "This will be a major technology breakthrough for standoff capability in anti-submarine warfare." The Defence Minister said it is a significant achievement. The novel coronavirus can spread easily from person-to-person contact. According to the WHO, so to curb the spread of COVID-19, wearing masks is important. DD India has taken up an initiative, Mask Up India. This initiative will help in creating awareness among the people on the importance of wearing a mask to control the spread of COVID-19. Here is a report.
A global pandemic that's causing havoc worldwide. Active COVID cases are increasing around the world. Search for an effective vaccine is on, but till then, the only option is caution and prevention. Face mask has been found to be the most effective means to fight the spread of COVID-19. World Health Organization and various researchers have also found that masks are critical to mitigating the spread of COVID-19. Wearing a mask helps prevent spread of COVID-19, but only if worn properly.
बिना मास्क या फेस कवर के घर से बाहर निकलने की अभी कल्पना करना भी सही नहीं है। ये जितना खुद उस व्यक्ति के लिए खतरनाक है, उतना ही उसके आसपास के लोगों के लिए भी।
Be a part of DD India campaign, Mask Up India. Wear a mask. Cover your mouth and nose properly. Ask your family and friends to wear masks and correctly.
Mask Up India.
Mask Up India.
It's a simple task. Just wear a mask.
Mask Up India.
Mask Up India.
Mask Up India.
Here is a weather report. Maximum temperature recorded was 24 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature recorded was 16.6 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 90%. Relative humidity in the evening was 93%. Rainfall recorded was 0.1 millimeter. Weather forecast: Shillong and its adjoining areas will have a generally cloudy sky with 1 or 2 spells of rain, thunder showers. Before we wind up, here are the recap of today's headlines. COVID-19 recovery rate in country improves to 84.34%. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to inaugurate Artificial Intelligence Race 2020 Summit. The prices of petroleum products in Meghalaya have started decreasing. And DRDO successfully flight tests supersonic missile-assisted release of Torpedo. That's all we have for you viewers. Thank you and good night.